welcome to an episode of At Your Warehouse. I'm Skis, and today we're going to go fast. How fast? I don't know. But at the end of this video, you'll have an opportunity to earn a $25 Amazon gift card for your speed. Alright, stay tuned to the end to find out how to win that. And we're going to show off this guy. His name is One Ready. He's a Discord member, and he says his jack is fast. How fast? He says it's the fastest jack in all the West. And I said, well, my jack's pretty fast. He said, no, not as fast as my jack. And I said, I don't know. Does it whip? I don't. Mine whips. I can whip. He said his can whip. But anyway, here it is. This One Ready. Oh, look at it go. This is one of those stand in the middle jacks. This is a debate. I didn't think it can make fast turns. Oh my god, look at that speed. So fast. Yeah, look at that. Look at it, he's going. Oh man. 14 miles an hour looks like. It's kilometers, I don't know. 14,000. Alright. That was a pretty good video. Thanks for that submission, One Ready. So before we get into how you can win this $25 Amazon gift card, we're going to talk about cases per hour. Cases per hour is how many cases you can pull per hour on average. And that's a great way of measuring between warehouses is how many cases can you pull per hour. Don't tell me time. Don't tell me you made an hour, 3 hours, whatever. It doesn't matter, okay? Your warehouse is going to have a different set of standards than my warehouse. 1 hour up in yours might be 150 cases an hour, and mine it could be 300 cases an hour, which it is, at least. And so that's how you measure. You don't measure with time. Don't tell me you made 3 minutes or an hour. I don't care. All right? Tell me how many cases you pull per hour. All right? And so now I'm going to show you my absolute best. Now I cheated. It's okay. It's not really cheating. Still pulled it. Okay, so I skipped all my breaks. I skipped my lunch just to see how fast I could pull. All right, and if you want to beat me and get this this time right here, get this 375 case per hour average, you're probably gonna have to do that as well. This was over an 8-hour period, and if you look at the top, you can see my very first order was 253 cases per hour, and I made 2 minutes. So you can see what my baseline is at my warehouse for the freezer was about 250 cases per hour. All right, that's 100%. And in order to win this gift card, you need to submit a picture of you pulling for at least 8 hours. I'll accept 6 hours, but 6 to 8 hours pulling. And you need to average at least 375 cases per hour or more and be the absolute best. So if somebody else submits something better than you and you're both over 275, it goes to whoever pulled the fastest, or 375. Whoever pulls more than 375 cases per hour and is the absolute best. That's who you're going to get this. You need to submit a picture form of it, and it needs to not be edited. Other than you can remove your name or whatever, okay? I'm not going to put your name on here. Anyway, so put that in the Discord under the picture submissions, or you can send it directly to me, Xkeys, and all submissions need to be done by February 24th at midnight. That's exactly a month from now. And the winner will get a full episode for them, and they will get this $25 Amazon gift card. Not this one. They're going to get a code that's going to be sent to you in a Discord message. And from that, you'll be able to redeem it on Amazon and get whatever you want. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that jazz. Let me know what you think. All right.